Alright guys, so can you answer these 20 questions? The first question here is, where is the aorta? Is it the one that's labeled as A or the one that is labeled as B? Alright, so the correct answer is A. So the aorta is a red artery that is labeled as A. Number 2, where is the apex of the heart? Is it the one that is labeled as A or the one that is labeled as B? Alright, so the correct answer is B. So the apex of the heart points downwards and towards the left lung. Number 3, the vein that is marked X is called. So the correct answer here is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava, the vein that brings blood from the upper part of the body like your head and neck. So this is the vein that is marked X and it is called superior vena cava. Number 4, the vein that's labeled Y is called. The correct answer is inferior vena cava. So this is the largest vein in the human body and it brings the oxygenated blood from the lower part of the body, from your legs, from your abdomen, from your pelvis, from your lower thorax. It brings this blood all the way into the right atrium. Number 5, where is the pulmonary artery? Is it the A or the B? Alright, so the correct answer is A. So the pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries the oxygenated blood away from the heart. And it takes this blood from the right ventricle to the lungs, where oxygen is obtained. Alright guys, so I hope you are learning from this video. Alright, so the sixth question is, what are the names of these small arteries? What are the names of these small arteries? Alright, these small arteries are called coronary arteries, and these are the arteries that supplies blood directly to the heart tissues, directly to the muscles, the cardiac muscles of the heart. Number 7, what is 1, 2, and 3? What does 1, 2, and 3 represent? Alright, number 1 represents the superior vena cava, the vein that brings the oxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, like your head, your neck, and upper limbs, all the way down to the right atrium. Number 2 represents inferior vena cava, the vein that brings the oxygenated blood from the lower part of your body, like your legs, your pelvis, your abdomen, and even the lower part of your thorax, into the right atrium. While number 3 represents the pulmonary artery, the artery that takes the oxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Number 8, what structures are 1 and 2? What structures are marked 1 and 2? So number 1 is a right auricle, while number 2 is a left auricle. So the auricles are the external coverings of the right and left atria. So the right auricle covers the right atrium, while the left auricle covers the left atrium. Number 9, what is the name of these blood vessels in red? What is the name of these blood vessels in red? The correct answer is coronary arteries. So these are the arteries that takes oxygen and nutrients to the heart tissues itself. Number 10. What is the name of the blood vessels in blue? The correct answer is coronary veins. So when the coronary arteries takes blood containing oxygen and nutrients to the heart tissues, once the heart tissues finish making use of this blood, the coronary veins will now drain the deoxygenated blood from the heart tissues back to the right atrium. 11. The right atrium is covered by what? Is it A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. So A represents the right auricle, and this is the external covering of the right atrium. 12. The ventricles are located under, is it 1, 2, or 3? Alright, so the correct answer is 3. So the ventricles are bigger and thicker than the atrium, and they are located under the part that is labeled 3. 13. The apex of the heart covers which of the ventricles? Is it the left or right? The correct answer is left. So the apex of the heart covers the left ventricle. 14. Which of these blood vessels are blocked in a heart attack? Which of these blood vessels are blocked in a heart attack? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Alright, so the correct answer is 4. So 4 represents coronary arteries, and these are the arteries that takes blood containing oxygen and nutrients to the heart tissues. So when these blood vessels are blocked, there will be no flow of oxygen and nutrients to the heart tissues, and this will lead to the death of heart muscles, which results to a heart attack. 15. What is the name of the blood vessels blocked in a heart attack? The correct answer, once again, is coronary arteries. So coronary arteries are the blood vessels that are blocked in a heart attack. 16. The medical term for heart attack is dash. The correct answer is myocardial infarction. So myo refers to muscle, cardial refers to heart, while infarction refers to death of cells. So in a heart attack or myocardial infarction, muscle cells die because of lack of supply of oxygen and nutrients. 17. The size of the heart is roughly equal to the owner's dash. Alright, the correct answer is fist. So the size of the human heart is roughly equal to the owner's fist. 18. The heart receives oxygen and nutrients from dash arteries. Is it pulmonary arteries, coronary arteries, subclavian arteries, or renal arteries? Alright, I know you've known this. So the correct answer is B, coronary arteries. 19. The following organs are found behind the heart, except. The following organs are found behind or posterior to the heart, except. Is it esophagus, trachea, sternum, or aorta? The correct answer is C, sternum. So the sternum is found anterior to the heart. It is found in front of the heart, not behind the heart. 20. The study of the heart is called dash. The correct answer is cardiology. So if you learned anything from this video, if you've learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up by clicking on a like icon on your screen. And if you want to learn more about human body, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is free. So just click that subscribe button on your screen right now to get updates on my next video. Thank you.